Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful crochet cake using an easy method. First, gather your essential materials: yarn in various colors, a crochet hook, and some stuffing. A 3.5mm hook is a great starting point. Select soft, colorful yarn that mimics real cake shades for an authentic look. You'll primarily use basic stitches like single crochet and slip stitch to form your cake's shape. Now let's create the cake layers. Start with a magic ring, then work single crochet stitches into it to form a flat circle. This is your base. Increase your stitches evenly in each subsequent round to gradually widen the circle, forming a flat, round layer. You'll want to make 2 or 3 layers of slightly different sizes to achieve that classic tiered cake appearance. Next, it's time for the fun part: adding the frosting and decorations. Use white or a light pastel yarn to create a realistic frosting effect around your cake layers, often by working slip stitches along the edges. Get creative with small crocheted cherries, colorful sprinkles, or even tiny candles to adorn your cake. Remember to attach all these delightful details securely using a yarn needle for a polished finish. Finally, let's assemble your beautiful crochet cake. Carefully stack your crocheted layers and sew them together using a yarn needle, ensuring they are centered and secure. Before fully closing each layer, remember to stuff it lightly with fiberfill to give your cake a plush, 3-dimensional shape. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your adorable, handmade crochet cake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.